Hey, let me show you the visual difference between HUAWEI FreeBuds SE and the HUAWEI FreeBuds SE2. So first, at the first look, we've got the big difference about the case. So the case of the SE2, it's definitely smaller. Just take a look. That's the size comparison of the cases. And also, in my opinion, the FreeBuds SE, the first generation, is a little bit better when we talk about the connection. So what I mean, it's easier to click and hold this button to enter for the pairing mode. So we have to click and hold like this, and it will start blinking. It's really easy, right? But on the FreeBuds SE2, you have to touch these sensors that are located right here and right here, and to enter for the pairing mode, for the connection mode, you have to click and hold them gently, but really gently, because when you do something like this, when you move this earbud a little bit while holding this button, they will not go to the pairing mode. So I guess it will be the big issue when people will try to connect them. So you just have to only touch it like this, really gently, and do not move the earbuds in the case. When you take a look for the charging method, that's the same. That's the USB-C. So there's nothing to talk about. And when you take a look for the earbuds, let's remove the left. So also the earbuds are smaller. And the better change, it's on the sensor. So right here you can find this cutout. But on the SE, the first version, you have to tap somewhere here. Honestly, in my opinion, it just looks better, and it's like more user-friendly. So yeah, the earbuds are also smaller, but there is no tip. And in my opinion, when you have the tip on the earbud, it gives you like this effect to reduce the sound that comes from outside. So it will be perfect to have this tip right here. And yeah, and basically that's it. If you want to take a look also how the cases look inside, so there we go. And at the bottom it looks like this, and at the back right here like this. Here on the SE we can find some information about the serial number, device model, but right here on this one we can find them inside. So yeah, that's all changes, the visual changes of the SE and the SE2. Bye!